This is the BrainPop Junior quiz school. Question 1. What would be a big part of a principal's job? A. Meeting with parents and teachers. B. Writing the math book. C. Driving the school bus. D. Watering the plants in the school garden. Number 2. What would happen if a teacher was out sick? A. The kids would probably all go home. B. The kids would probably teach the class. C. The principal would probably fire the teacher. D. The principal would probably hire a substitute teacher. Number 3. What does the school nurse do? A. Cook the school lunches. B. Teach music classes. C. Help students when they feel sick. D. Help students do their homework. Number 4. Schools hold fundraisers to help raise money. What would not be a fundraiser? A. Bake sale. B. A book fair. C. A raffle. D. A parent-teacher conference. And number 5, who is probably not a part of the school community? A. A parent. B. A student. C. A banker. D. A guidance counselor.